Hi everyone, welcome back. I am Sandy if you're new, and I wanted to do a flip through of this little golden book junk journal. So cute. It is for sale, and I'll show you. Here's the front, and there was a little like it was messed up here, so I put this little cluster right here, and I think that's so cute. And then the back, I covered the back with this fabric. I think it's so cute. Sometimes I leave the back and sometimes I cover it. And I didn't think the back went as well with the cover, so that's why I added the fabric all the way onto the back. And then this is just a simple paper clip charm, and I've just added some little beads, and I have like a butterfly, a flower, I have another flower, I have a couple eggs since it's the egg book, a little flower, another flower, a little bunny, look at that cute little tail. And then we have this butterfly. So lots of fun little beads and things on there. And then this is some vintage trim. This is that tatting. And so this is on a paper clip, so it is removable. Just put that up there. And there's 3 signatures. I did a hidden spine. Or 2 signatures, sorry. So this was from 1988, and I love leaving this in here. I think this is really nostalgic. So Grandma Kruger gave this book, and I thought that was so cute. I forget how many pages are, but there's a lot of pages in here. So we have a lot of sewing details, sewing pockets, and I love saving the little golden spine. In this case, it was silver. But love saving that, so that's in the book if you want to do something with it. You could turn it into a little bookmark. You could put some chipboard on the back of this and turn it into a bookmark, so lots of different options. And then I have some vintage and non-vintage items throughout the whole book for you to decorate with, and plus there'll be another pack of ephemera that I'll ship with the journal. And then I love this right here, this little egg with the little beads on a paper clip. So cute. And this is from 1975, this version. And the whole story is in here and intact. And then I've added some of my favorite scrapbook papers in here. And we have ledger and doily. Love this paper pack. We have some book page images in here. You can turn into tags. This is some avocado dyed index card, and then some scrapbook paper. And then I have a vintage music page, and I chose April Showers. I thought that went great with this theme. And I love this bunny trim. It's so cute. And love these images. And the scrapbook paper, one of my favorite scrapbook papers. And I do have some Easter junk journal kits available for sale. So, and some of them have some of this paper in here, so check that out. So cute. And then another little pocket. I have a lot of sewing detail. I did leave all the threads, so if you don't like the threads, you can trim those off. And then some more vintage papers. And then we have a little tuck, and I have a little bingo sheet, and then some cute little Easter die cuts. Some typing paper, some doily, and then this is a fun little side pocket that I made with this embossed vellum paper and some more book page images, vintage book page images. Just some cute little book page and some die cuts from my favorite paper pad. Another book page image. And here we have some coffee dyed index card, and then some vintage yellow ledger paper. Thought perfect for spring. I love this, sunshine and warm days. And then I made this, so this is just a little brad, but I added it to the paper clip, and I think that's just so cute. It says, "Yay, it's spring." And then I did a little fabric flip with the fabric that I used for the cover. And then here we have this cute little side tuck with this scrapbook paper, or this might even be stationery paper. And we have some shorthand paper, one of my favorite papers to include, and another doily, a big rectangle doily. This is an ideals page, and look at this, you all. Isn't that the sweetest image? Love this. And then I just put a little butterfly on the center signature tie, and then this is the other side of the ideals page. Cute little bunny. And then we have a tiny little pocket here, and I've just put some little die cuts down in there and tickets. Here we have a playing card and some map page. And so this is some more of that stationery page, so I made it a short little pocket. So I took the stationery page, or maybe it was scrapbook paper, I can't remember. And on this side I made it a full side tuck, but on this side I cut it in half and made it a flap, and then I made this the pocket. And then here we have, this is vellum here in the middle, and so you can see this is just tucked in this side, but you also have items tucked all the way back behind. And we have a sweet little Precious Moments book page image in there. Isn't that cute? And lace. And then these are some of my favorite little bulb pins to make, with some tiny little seed beads and then just a little swoosh of fabric. I think they're just fun little additions. And here's the other side of my vellum pocket. And we have some avocado dyed papers and die cuts in there. We have another Precious Moments image in this tuck. It's so cute, guys. I love, and then we have some bridge scoring sheets. Lots of places to write, and then lots of places still to decorate. So here I just took this cute little scrapbook paper and put this pretty sticker on here. But a lot of stuff I've just clipped in so that the owner can then do decorating. Another adorable cutout from that scrapbook paper. Another book page image. And I thought the pinks in this, the pink and blue, go really well with this paper. And that's why I chose this paper as well. So I put a lot of thought into the orientation and paper selections. And here I sewed a glassine bag to the page to make, so there's a pocket back behind it, and then there's also the pocket inside. And I put a couple cute little die cuts in there. Some purple trim to highlight the purple flowers. And then we have some coffee dyed music paper, another Precious Moments book page image. So that's the first signature. Another book page image. So cute. And we have some doily. We have another ideals page. Isn't that so cute? I love this book so much. It's so cute. Another book page image. And then we have some map page and doily and cute little cut aparts. And another Precious Moments. And some more fun little pieces in there. Here we have, this is a cute little belly band. I need to put something in there. Haven't done that yet. But look how well all those colors go together. So nice. More ledger paper. Here we have that yellow trim. And then we have some more book page. Another playing card, vintage playing card. And we have another bulb pin right here with some seed beads. Another book page image. And then we have another Precious Moments. And this is, I'm forever blowing bubbles. And I thought it went so nice with this blue scrapbook paper. And then we have a side tuck, another book page image, and avocado dyed envelope. And then this is a fun little secret journaling spot that opens up, and I have a little Rolodex, vintage Rolodex card hidden in there. But this opens all the way up, and you can have some hidden journaling. And then you have a little pocket back here. And then we have another one of these fun, this is one of my favorite pockets to make, where you tear it and you have vellum in the middle, so it's a little peekaboo. So another Precious Moments. And then the center signature, the scrapbook paper. Love it so much. And then another butterfly. And we had a pocket on this side with some more little die cuts and book page images. Here we have a sweet little card, thinking of you. 1987 in the envelope. And then here I have another Rolodex, and this is a fun page, another hidden journaling that folds out this way, like this. And I have a little bunny stamped on there, and then the little chick stamped on here. So the bunny is hidden. Love that. And then it just folds back up like that. And then we have another little cut apart right here. And then some more bingo and doily. Another book page. Cute little tuck spot. So many fun things in here. Tons of pockets. Another book page. And just some, this is a paper pad that has, it's lined index. One of my favorite paper pads. And then we have another vintage playing card and a fun little purple doily. Love these little banner pieces. And the daisy trim on here. Like that goes well with this. And then this is the other side of that ideals page. And I wanted these chicks to be on this side because this is when the chick is hatched out of the egg. And they get to meet. So sweet. And then I have the little library card pocket back here. So yeah, so this is my little golden book. It is for sale. It's listed in my Etsy shop. So if you're interested, just hop on over. I'll put the, get it? Hop on over. That was an unintended pun. But hop on over there and snag it if you want it. But look how pretty that looks. So, and I have the number of pages over there on my Etsy, but you can see there's a lot in there. But I love her so much. She's so cute. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.